In this video, we'll show you how to replace the blower module on your Ford Edge. This is located in the dashboard, right on the passenger side. Let's get started. Looking underneath the glove box, we're going to find a plastic panel. On either side of the panel, we have a little clip. I'm just going to go ahead and use a clip tool to pop these out. You can certainly use a flathead screwdriver for this. Pop one out, and we can do the same with the other one. Looking over on the far passenger side of that panel, we have an electrical connector. You simply press in on the tab on the back side. And pop that out. Always check any electrical terminals for any damage or corrosion. And we can simply pull out on this panel. We can set that off to the side. Right next to the blower motor, we find two electrical connectors, gray and black. We'll press in on the tabs and pull those out. It's always good to check terminals for any damage or corrosion. We have two Phillips head screws to remove. And we can pull the module out. Get the module lined up with the hole. We can get both of the screws in and snug them down. You can get the electrical connectors plugged in and make sure that they are seated and locked in. Line up the hole on the back of the panel with the stud on the firewall. Slide it on. We can get the electrical connector plugged back in on the lower panel. Make sure that's locked in. Get the panel lined back up. We get both of the push clips in. Make sure you do the same with the other one on the other side. Give the blower motor a test and make sure it's working properly. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.